Welcome. If you want to set up alarm clock in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, let's go for the settings. Then go for the alarm on the left corner. We can activate one of the following alarm, and that's how we can make it. And also we can customize. So we can pick up the days. We can add the repeat, change the ringtone. I will take this one. We can also activate or just deactivate vibration. We can add the label of our record, of our alarm. And the most important, of course, we can set up the hours and the minutes. So just exactly when we want our alarm to be activated. So I'm going for this one, and that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.